A page is a tool to add content to a WordPress site and is often used to present static information about the site. Pages are typically timeless in nature. A page should not be confused with the time-oriented objects called posts, which we just released a video about. To create a page, simply go to Pages, Add New. Now we're within the editor, which defaults to the Gutenberg block editor. If you are writing a pretty straightforward page of content, the block editor is great. Otherwise, you can use your favorite page builder, such as Divi, to edit the page content. Now let's enter a title for our page. This will show in your permalink, but if you want, you can actually edit it to something shorter. You should set a featured image, as that is used by many themes and plugins to varying degrees. Make sure to take a look at the discussion meta box. By default, WordPress pages have comments enabled, and this is where you can disable that. When your page is ready to go, simply press the publish button at the top, and your page is now live. Keep in mind that pages don't automatically populate into the site like posts do. To do this, you will need to go to Appearance, Menus. Find the new page, check the box, and press Add to Menu. If you don't want to have to repeat this process for each new page, scroll down and check Automatically Add New Top Level Pages to this menu. Make sure that when you're ready, you press Save Menu. Since pages are static, it's a good idea to go through them occasionally. You can perform a quick audit if any information or titles need to be updated. To do so, navigate to All Pages, and when you hover over an entry, you will be given a context menu with a few edit options. The most useful is Quick Edit. When selected, the page's details will expand, and from here you can adjust the permalink slug, dates, template, publish status, and so on. But you cannot edit the content in this panel. To do that, you would need to hover over and press Edit. And there you go. That's all you need to know about WordPress pages. If you enjoyed this video, then be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more content. With that said, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.